Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I have the little Bell 206 from our Sierra that's giving me a lot of headache, especially with the batteries. It just goes up, hovers for a couple of seconds, then goes down. So I decided to try and fix that. So I opened it up, I added this GST plug. It connects on the board that's under those pins for the stock battery. For now, I'm going to try and use these 2S 300 milliamp batteries. They're really old. I have these for like 5-6 years, but they still work. So hopefully it will be successful. I tested it a bit at home, and the blades were spinning. Let's see how it goes. This slides in here. It fits. I'm going to use a bit of tape to secure it and make sure it doesn't fall off. Then let's try and fly this thing. Let me do a gyro calibration, and let's see if I get anything over a minute. I'll be happy. Okay, it's up. I had to move on this side because the road is so busy today. No, come back to me. Oh. Okay, well, it flew briefly. Yeah, so it flew, I don't know, 20 seconds, 30, but it's more than I got with the stock batteries. And just for reference, the battery is not low. It's 85. Well, that's one cell, 4.08. So whole battery 8.2 volts. That's one cell, and that's the other. So I don't know. There might be something wrong with this one or with the software. I have no idea, but I will try again with a different battery. Got these new GensAce packs. This is also a 2S 300. I also have some high voltage ones, but those are a little longer and they wouldn't fit in this compartment here. So for now I'll try this one and see if we get any better results. So it's pretty well on there. I don't even know if I should put some tape on or just leave it like that, but maybe for safety I'll add a bit of tape. Connect the battery and see if we can fly it this time. Rotor's moving. Spool it up and see. It's flying. Doesn't really want to go forward. There's a bit of headwind. Mid rates. Let's try high rates. I can at least take it over the field. Not on the road here. Why won't you go forward? I mean, honestly, there's barely a breeze coming from my left, from my right, sorry. Come on, come on. Okay, there you go, there you go. Does this not save the trims? Oh, car coming. A very limited movement. Don't know why. At high rates, except for yaw. But hey, it's flying. I mean, it's been over a minute. I don't have any timer, but check the video. Still look full stick. Let's see, backward. Why are you going backward? I don't know what's wrong with this helicopter. And yeah, I think now it's losing power. Yep. See that light flashing. And it's down. But Well, I think I can call that a partial success. I don't know how long it was, 2 minutes. But I do believe I did check the voltage on the original proprietary batteries, and it was over 8 point, what is it? 8.2? Yeah. Anyway, about, no, 8.4. So those might be high voltage packs that they come with. So I might give next time, whenever that is, try to the high voltage packs I got. Who knows, maybe that will work. You can see batteries in there. Yeah, I don't know. It's really interesting, but the lack of control is also frustrating. So I think this particular one is a lost cause. Anyway, I got a partial, almost full refund from Banggood, as I've had problems with this from the beginning. I don't know if I got 2, 3, 4 good flights out of it, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts, ideas, questions, let me know. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.